Black girl from Compton with locks moves to South Korea, teaches, comes back, writes a book about it, starts a business with editing and book writing. Hello writers, Nailah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is going to be 3 ways a book can help you increase your influence. Before we get into the ways that a book can help you increase your influence, let's talk about the definition of influence and what it really means. This is from dictionary.com and it says, influence is the capacity to have an effect on the character or behavior of someone else. It says a little bit more, but this is like the meat of the definition. Again, what is influence? Influence is the capacity to have an effect on the character or behavior of someone else. Basically, does your behavior or your character have an effect on someone else's behavior or character? Of course, it does. Just naturally, we influence people. It can be by way of our wardrobe, our style of dress, by way of our language, by way of the words that we speak, by way of how we conduct ourselves in the corporate manner or in the corporate spaces. It can be as simple as what we watch on TV. These things can influence others just unknowingly. So what am I going to advise you in this video? I'm going to advise you to be intentional about your influence. Be intentional about your influence by way of your book. And here are 3 ways that a book can help you do that. Number 1, a book can help you build brand awareness. Your brand is your story. It's what makes you unique. As some of you may know, I taught and lived overseas in South Korea years back. And from my teaching about grammar, I wrote a book about grammar. And now in my circle, in my community, in my little world, my little bubble, my online space, people know me as the go-to grammar person. That's a part of my story. Black girl from Compton with locks, moves to South Korea, comes back, writes a book, writes other books, publishes the 10 books on Amazon, teaches people how to do that, edits book because she believes in polishing words, starts this whole book ecosystem, and is now having or creating an education-based YouTube channel. That's my brand story. And a book helps me make people more aware of that. People became aware of me because of my book. Now it allowed me to branch off into the YouTube channel and into number 2, speaking engagements. The second way that a book can help you increase your influence, it can help you land speaking engagements. Who knew? Story time. I was pitching to a conference, and this conference in particular, their audience was made up of my ideal clients. I wanted to get in front of their audience because I felt like with my business of book coaching and book editing, I can be able to help and serve people in this particular audience at this particular conference. So while I'm pitching my story, getting my brand out there, myself known, one of the questions was, well, do you have a book that you can leverage? My answer was yes, but it just got my wheels turning, and I'm thinking about the people that possibly said no, like they didn't have the book. And I'm like, I wonder if people know that a book really does help you land the speaking engagement. People want to have someone come and speak to their communities and serve their audiences. They want people who have tangible knowledge. You can package up your expertise, put it inside of a book. Sorry, I have a book over here. I was gonna grab it, but it's too far. But you can put it inside of a book and you can like give out to audience members. It can be, well, in business, it's a lead magnet. It can lead people to other parts of your business. I don't know if I said reason before, but the third way a book can help you increase your influence is by building your legacy. Did you know that words can live on past the author? Think about it. We just recently lost, not too long ago, the incomparable Bell Hooks. We've also lost Toni Morrison, just great authors. But even though they're gone, I still have their books in my possession. I can still read their words. Their words are a part of their legacy. My question to you is, wouldn't you like your words to be a part of your legacy? God forbid, if something happens to you, it's comforting to know that your legacy can live on past you, beyond you, by way of your words. This is influence. This is having an effect on someone else's behavior or character. Leaders, when you're thinking of writing your book, when you're thinking of organizing all that's up here, all of your knowledge, all of your skill sets, all of your expertise into your nonfiction book, your how-to book, your tutorial, your self-help book, when you're thinking of that, also think about the fact that a book can help you build your brand awareness. Think about the fact that a book can help you land speaking engagements. and think about the fact that a book can help you build your legacy. Writers, do me a favor. If you like the information that I'm giving in this video, hit that like button and share it with someone who may need this advice. And also, and I'll catch you in the next video.